Today's video is about expectations and having realistic ones, both of yourself and of others. This week, for example, I was contacted by a prospective client who wanted my team and I to right size her entire 4-bedroom home that she has lived in for 31 years in 6 hours. Obviously, it didn't take only 6 hours to acquire all of the items in the home. And so it's going to take longer than that to kind of unravel and sort through things and make decisions and let things go. And she was ready to part with only 3 items. So I understand people might have a budget, but we also need to understand and have realistic expectations. And that includes of ourselves too. Like I know sometimes I think I might confuse myself with Superwoman and think I can accomplish 20 or 30 things on my to-do list in one day. And it's really not realistic. And it just sets us up to feel like we haven't succeeded and to lose our steam and take the wind out of our sails. So I think something we can do to help us focus on the positive and help us reach our goals is to set fewer of them and to set better quality goals based on our needs and our values. And I'm going to be talking about that at our next Wine and Wisdom on July 29th from 4 to 5 p.m. We'll share a link. Please register if you're interested in attending. But just my advice for today is to be kind to yourself and to only put 1 to 3 big items on your to-do list, no more than that. You could even use the JOT method, the just one thing, and do one thing at a time and focus on it until it's done. So thank you so much for listening. Please share your tips. How do you reset your expectations when maybe you're expecting too much from yourself or from others for that matter? Thank you so much.